J Tiger in Thailand. We are on our scenic train trip, and this is some of the new construction. Oh, here comes a train. That's a non-aircon train there. we are in the, actually this is low season where it's fairly cool. They're still working on these tracks. A little further back there was a lot of the concrete pylons were on top of the track. This train is pulled into the station, and apparently this is new construction. There's some folks looking out the window. They look pretty happy. Don't know exactly what that is in the background. J Tiger here. Please give me a subscribe. I have got plenty of